Hey kiddos, Miss Bettis here. I just wanted to talk to you about this next section with the certificate of deposits. The certificate of deposit usually has a higher percentage rate, but unfortunately the disadvantage is when you don't have access to your money for that length of time. So either way, just wanted to make sure that I kind of talked to you about how to fill this in. What you want to do is you can either use the bank that you're using for the savings, or you can find a different financial institution. Now, you really want to find an institution that has rates for every single one of these. Notice on number 7, it says identify the interest. Sometimes they, or I should say most of the time, they will have different interest rates for your, whether it be 6 months, the 3 years, the 5 years. I'm going to go to one of the websites. I was just researching so you could see. Notice here, all I did was research, or I should say search certificate of deposit rates. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to one of these. Honestly, it doesn't matter which one you choose. But I was looking at this one here, the best CD rates accounts. And when I clicked on this guy, it gives us all the different variations of rates for these. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Capital One one just because. And when it takes us to this Capital One, it shows us and you don't have to sign in or anything like that. It shows us the different CDs that they have. And then you could enter your deposit here. Like in my case, mine was the 5,000 for this one. And notice again, it has different APRs or annual percentage yields for the different months. Like in this case, it's 6 months, it's 3.8. But for the 3 years, it's 3.5. And for the 5 years, it's 3.5 as well. And then they show the earnings. Well, that's just what they do on that one. Obviously, I'd want you to put it into the equation that that I have for y'all. So back to the interest rates, you'll be putting those interest rates in there. Again, plugging it into the values here for number 8 into that equation. Make sure for the 6 month for T, you're going to put in 0.5, which is half a year or 6 out of the 12. And then for the T for 3 years and 5 years, you'd put in 3 and 5. Also, you definitely need to put in the formula into your slide. Don't forget that. Number 9, how long will it take to double your investment again? And remember, you do have to solve for T in this situation. And then the last part here is obviously the reflection, and then you do your comparison versus your savings accounts. Alrighty, my kiddos, I hope y'all have a great day. Be good, be safe.